Before you send a text or an email to a friend,
be sure about it.
Do you get what your words will do to another kid?
Think for a minute.
Now what if it were you that got that email or text?
What if somebody texted private photos of you all around school?
Wouldn't be cool, would it?
It's called cyberbullying.
And it's just as bad as being beaten up at school.
there's a difference between funny and cruel.
Don't send anything that you wouldn't say to someone's face.
And don't send something that you wouldn't want sent to you.
Think before you send.
Be a champion for change.
For more information, log on to disney.com/common sense.